Okay, our wheels from Woody's are back in. I'm taking these things right to the tire shop. So I wanted to well, give you guys a tour of what we have here. Let me unbox this and I'll get back to you guys. So this is the front wheel. We've got Trued by Jared and TJs or J's, and 12 flat spots. This is for their own reference. I've got a Woody's Wheelworks sticker stuck down here at the bottom. It looks the same. All the scratches that I had imposed before are still present, but they, you know, it looks good. Obviously, there's no dents in it, but it's really hard to rate. Wow, these spokes are definitely hard. They're not gouting to do anything wrong here, but it looks fantastic. We'll see how it performs back on the bike. Really looking forward to getting it back on the bike. And are you doing anything there? No? Hub is all the same? I don't know. It's almost like you spent $800 total. And all I have to show for it is that I have no more bends or dings, or bends where I bend it myself. But as far as the performance of it, I really won't know until I get it on the road. So next shot we'll go back to the tires mounted and balanced. Oh man, finally. Finally they're done. Oh, look at these beautiful wheels we have here. Oh, gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Yeah, they look a little wet from the mounting earlier, the lube. But yeah, we got the rears for the front. We have our rear. Oh man, I'm so happy to have these things back. You know, $800 later, plus the cost of the tires, and plus $80 to mount and balance them at a professional shop. Man, I would have paid $80 the whole time. Honestly, it's such bullshit that I'm finally getting these things in the house, and they're all scuffed up now from my idiocy when they really could have stayed beautiful if I had just freaking paid the $80. Anyway, lesson learned. So here we are. I'm out on the bike. Whew, I'm nervous. Okay, didn't fall. We are back in business though. Finally, this feels like a real bike again.